Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start reading of your chapter number 7, The Prisoners of your reader, The Wizard of Oz. So get ready for it and take out your pencils, and you have to underline some words. So you have to revise its reading and homework also. Okay, my dear students, this is your chapter number 7, The Prisoners. What shall we do? We have to do its reading. In the next 3 days, each of the others went to see Oz to ask for help. They did not see the great head. Each one saw something different. The Scarecrow saw a lovely lady. The Tin Woodman saw a terrible beast with 5 eyes and 5 long arms and legs. The Lion saw a bright ball of fire, but none of them got what he wanted. To each of them, Oz said, You must have Dorothy to kill the Wicked Witch of the West first. The 4 friends met to talk about what has happened. What shall we do? Asked Dorothy sadly. There is only one thing we can do, replied the Lion. We must go to the land of Yellow Winkies. We must find the Wicked Witch and destroy her. But what will happen if we can't? Asked the little girl. Then I shall never have courage, said Cowardly Lion, and I shall never have brains, said the Scarecrow, and I shall never have a heart, said the Tin Woodman, and I shall never see Aunt Em and Uncle Henry, and said Dorothy, beginning to cry. Beginning means Rona. After a while, she dried her eyes. She said, Well, perhaps means shayad. You are right. We must try to do what Oz wants. But I am sure I do not want to kill anybody. So, students, now move to your next page. That is page number 30. So, the magic of the golden cap. The next morning, they all left the Emerald City and began their journey to country of the Winkies. The Wicked Witch soon heard that Dorothy and her friends were coming. She tried to destroy them. At first, everything she did went wrong, but then she remembered something. In a cupboard in her yellow castle, she kept a golden cap. The golden cap was magic. Anyone who had the golden cap could call the winged monkeys. Winged monkeys, students, means के monkeys जिनके wings लगे हुए हों. As you can see in this picture, ये monkey है, इसके wings लगे हुए, and she is the Wicked Witch of the West. But no one could command them more than 3 times. The Wicked Witch had used the charm twice. Once was when she had made herself the ruler of the Winkies. The second time was when she fought against Oz. The winged monkeys had helped her drive Oz out of the land of the West. She could use the golden cap once more. That would be the last time. The Wicked Witch placed the golden cap upon her head. She said some magic words. The sky grew dark. There was a loud, deep sound in the air. Students, now this is your page number 31. You have to do its reading till here. Half of the chapter. Suddenly, achanak se, a crowd of monkeys, each with 2 strong wings, flew through the windows and into the room. They stood in front of the Wicked Witch. You have called us for the 3rd and last time, said the biggest monkey, who was a monkey king. What is your command? Go and find the stranger, said the Wicked Witch. Bring the Lion to me, for I want to make him my slave. Destroy the others. Okay, students, यहाँ तक हमने reading करनी है. Put your date over here. That is 25th, and you will write like this. एंड स्टूडेंट्स हमारे लास्ट चैप्टर में क्या हुआ था, ऑज के पास लॉयन डॉर्थी और टिन वुडमैन ये लोग गए थे अपनी अपनी स्केयरक्रो, ये अपनी अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स लेकर गए थे, जिसको ऑज ने सुना और ऑज ने कहा आई विल हेल्प यू इफ़ यू विल किल द विच ऑफ द वेस्ट. उसने कहा अगर आप विच मीन्स चुड़ैल, वो कहते हैं अगर आप वेस्ट की चुड़ैल को किल कर देंगे तो मैं आपकी मदद कर दूंगा. मैं लॉयन को कर्ज दे दूंगा, स्केयरक्रो को मैं ब्रेन दे दूंगा और टिन वुडमैन को मैं हार्ट दे दूंगा और डॉर्थी को मैं वापस कैंसस भेज दूंगा. बट डॉर्थी आई, उन फ्रेंड्स ने सब ने मीटिंग की. डॉर्थी ने कहा मैं किसी को मार नहीं सकती. तो क्या हुआ, वो एमरल्ड सिटी छोड़ के विंकीज़ के उसमें चले गए, कंट्री में चले गए. तो वहाँ पे जो वेस्ट की विकेड विच थी उसने सुना, तो उसने जल्दी से अपने विंग मंकीज़ को बुला लिया. तो वो 2 बार चार्म यूज़ कर चुकी थी। मीन्स कि आपने कभी सुना होगा अलादीन के 3 चांसेस होते हैं, अलादीन के जिन के। सो इसी तरह मंकीज़ के ने भी 3 चांसेस दिए हुए थे। 2 टाइम्स वो यूज़ कर चुकी थी, अब 3rd टाइम और लास्ट टाइम थी। तो उसने क्या कहा, मंकीज़ ने उनसे पूछा, किंग ऑफ मंकीज़ ने पूछा आपकी क्या डिमांड है अब। तो उसने कहा जाएं लॉयन को लेकर आएँ, उसको मैं स्लेव बनाऊंगी अपना, और बाकियों को ख़त्म कर दें, कोई भी यहाँ पे नहीं पहुँचना चाहिए। So students, this is today's reading. You have to revise it. So this is today's work. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.